Welcome to Ask Hytrol. In this video, we'll walk through how to properly install a gateway on your conveyor system. The gateway is an essential part of EZLogic NET, and installing it correctly ensures smooth communication and operation. Before you begin, the gateway should always be connected at the discharge zone of a conveyor branch. The Cat6 cable connecting the gateway to the first zone must be 100 feet or less in length. It must be wired to the discharge zone, but can be installed anywhere within 100 feet of the discharge zone. Make sure power to the conveyor is turned off. Mount the gateway to its bracket or mounting angle. Then mount that angle to the bottom flange of the conveyor's side channel, within 100 feet of the discharge zone. The gateway gets power from an EZN wiring harness. If there's no spare power drop, you can add a 2-foot, 1-drop wiring harness. Be sure the connector overmolds match in color, gray for EZLogic NET. Use the Cat6 cable with RJ45 connectors. On the discharge conveyor section, you should find this cable coiled and zip-tied. Remove the zip tie and plug the cable into the serial network out port on the gateway. If you're using a PLC, you can plug the Ethernet cable into either of the ports labeled Ethernet/IP at the top left or top right of the gateway. Once all connections are in place, turn the power back on to the conveyor. Give the system a moment to establish communication. When it's ready, you should see the following green LEDs: Serial Network Out, Control Fuse, System Fault, Control Power. If you're using a PLC and need to assign an IP address, connect to the system using EZLogic OS and go to the Gateway tab. Select Internet Protocol Settings in the Parameter Selection pane. In the Configuration Editor, switch to Manual Mode. Enter your IP address, subnet mask, and default gateway values. Click Save to apply your settings. If you already have a configuration saved to an SD card, insert the SD card into the SD slot on the bottom left side of the gateway. With the system powered on, hold the Reset button until the blue Upload LED turns on, then off. The Reset button is in a small slit between the config port and the serial network out port. That's it. Your gateway is now properly installed and configured. For more maintenance tips and information, contact your Hytrol Solutions provider.